evening, my name is Rachel Duffy Anderson and I'm proud to serve as the Dean of Students at Lourdes University. Tonight we are here to welcome Step Afrika on our campus along with our students and our greater community. Step Afrika is here in honor of our Black History Month celebration as well as part of our Sibs and Kids weekend on campus. We couldn't be more proud to be kicking off our weekend with these performers. They travel across the country educating communities about the history of step and doing an amazing performance and include audience participation. So we are very excited to have them with us tonight.
My name is Kiera Harley. I'm a member of Step Afrika. This is going on my second season with the company, and tonight's show was amazing. Coming to a university, we're expecting a lot of college students, but the community came out, so there were a lot of college students, families, young kids, and the energy was phenomenal. It was a great show. I had a lot of fun. Stepping is something that started in the early 1900s, but even though it started that long ago, there are still lots of people that have not been exposed to stepping. So I appreciate it being an art form that is still relevant and can be used to educate people. So we use it to talk about education, the importance of going to college, how Greek life fraternities and sororities can play a part, and how you can use your body to make music and be creative all at the same time. So it's a really important part of our culture that we love to share with everyone we can. It gives me so much life and encouragement because when we see that they're into it, it's like, okay, we just want to give more. So in the speech in the beginning, we say the more energy you give to us, we promise to give it back to you, and that is true. We feed off of the audience, so that was helpful. Personally, and I think for the company as well, I want everyone to feel empowered and encouraged, especially seeing minorities, in a professional dance company. So, we can all do this. This is for everyone. It's a community thing, it's a family thing, it's all about good energy. So we want everyone to feel a part and not separated, and that's what I believe our show does. It brings everyone together. We are a touring company. We are always on the road. So right now the company is split. We have total 16 full-time members. So we are here and the other cast is in another state. We're headed to Texas this week. If you want to find any more information about Step Afrika, you can go to our website, which is stepafrika.org. We spell it with the K, so make sure you do that. And we're all over social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat, all under Step Afrika's handle.
I want to say, special shout out to Savannah City, the city of Savannah, and Toledo, and a special shout out to Lourdes University for bringing us out and having us tonight. We had a great time. I hope you had a great time, and I hope you had a blast. I hope you was educated, but also entertained.